In the world of drag racing, every second counts. The roar of engines, the flash of chrome, the pure adrenaline, it's a spectacle like no other. But behind all the speed, there's an often overlooked role that ensures the race moves smoothly. A role that's more than just about precision. It's about tradition, teamwork, and a special connection to the sport. Meet the backup girl.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They sing on a sleepless night. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
While her name may not always be in the spotlight, her presence is integral to the race. The backup girl's job is simple, yet vital. After a burnout, she ensures the car is carefully backed up to its starting position. But it's more than just a chore. It's a task that requires precision, focus, and a deep understanding of the sport. Without her, the race cannot continue. Her role is essential, yet often goes unnoticed by the casual fan. She's the unsung hero in a world that moves at 200 miles per hour. To understand the backup girl's place in drag racing, we need to look back to the 1960s, the golden age of drag racing. It was a time when the sport was changing, evolving, becoming a spectacle that captured the public's imagination. And in this pivotal moment in history, one woman would change everything. Her name was Jungle Pam. Jungle Pam, alongside her driver Jungle Jim Lieberman, became an icon. She wasn't just a spectator, she was part of the show. Her role as a backup girl wasn't just about moving the car, it was about creating an atmosphere. With her striking presence, she became a symbol of the exciting, larger-than-life world of drag racing. Pam wasn't just performing a task, she was an integral part of the spectacle. Her grace, her style, her flair, she turned the backup role into something unforgettable. It wasn't just about what she did, it was about who she was and how she captured the attention of fans. Jungle Pam became more than just a backup girl. She was a part of drag racing's culture, a living, breathing embodiment of the sport's exciting, rebellious spirit. As the years passed, the role of the backup girl evolved. Today, her purpose is the same, but the faces have changed. In the Southeast Gassers Association, the tradition continues, with both seasoned veterans and newcomers stepping into the role. It's a role that transcends time, a role that's as diverse as the sport itself. In the Southeast Gassers Association, the backup girl isn't just a part of the race, she's part of the family. For many drivers, their wives or daughters take on this important role, honoring a tradition that's been passed down through the generations. It's a bond, a connection. The backup girl is more than just a helper. She's a vital part of the team, carrying the legacy of those who paved the way before her. Though times have changed, the backup girl remains a cornerstone of drag racing. Today, she's still the one who ensures the smooth flow of the race, who keeps the tradition alive, and who reminds us that drag racing isn't just about speed. It's about the people who make it happen. Whether they're wives, daughters, or friends, the backup girls of drag racing continue to stand as a tribute to the sport's rich legacy. With every race, they ensure that the heart of drag racing beats strong. Today, tomorrow, and for generations to come.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands.